back at the nightly spot. The nightly link up, bro. If you know, you know. Managed to get inside this time. Excuse me, brother. You're very cool, buddy.
What the fuck up, dude?
Bro, big fan, bro.
All the way fucking around, try to come back for 20 minutes. What was going on, brother? We went back to the hotel. But I was right, bro. I was right behind. I was backing in, brother. You had an empty space right here.
Yeah, one of us had to have been out, bro. That's why.
You just talking about back? Yeah, te don't think कुछ और ही sign करना बेटा.
Hey, this car is crazy right here. Hey, come up here. Justin Bieber? Justin Bieber. Bro, this shit is absolutely crazy. Bro,
yeah, man.
Bro.
Crazy as hell.
What up, twin? Bro, I know, bro. Ain't no other place. It's gonna take you straight out. You're not gonna be able to go that way.
Yeah, I might just dip because someone's gonna like fall or someone's gonna like drop some shit in my car, you know? This is I appreciate you. Thank you, brother.
Bro, मेरी मिशन है आज भैन जो एक बंदे दी पार्किंग लवाना मसाले This shit got me stressing out, brother. मैं खाली खाली काम करने आया bro.
Hey, park up in there.
Oh, bro, I told him, but he doesn't want to.
Oh, डरता है park.
Huh?
डरता.
Hey, babe, put your car down.
लगता दे. लगता दे तो जाके ला दे.
Oh, मैं लाऊंगा? Oh, मैं लाऊंगा तेरी parking.
He's not joking. He's not joking.
Oh, मैं लाऊंगा. I did try one night already.
मानना तेरा खाता लगता को. Oh yeah, that makes U-turn right there.
Yeah, bro, they're gonna shut down the entrances. You made it right before they shut it down. Yeah. Park right here. That shit is clean, bro. fun at this In-N-Out, bruh.
Hey, look at SQUID GAMES.
Oh, Mad Dog.
Hell no. Come on. I think it's rigged. I need to see you try it.
Are you gonna slap him? We not doing all that?
Nah, slap his ass.
You said what now?
Slap his
I don't think
ass.
that shit works.
Yeah, I bet you I do it.
That shit, no. $10 you want to do
Wanna
it.
try? Yeah, hold this for me, bro.
Hit that bitch. Whoa.
That shit rigged, bro. That shit rigged, bro. We looking at that shit like, that's crazy. That's crazy. We have the second location.
They're not gonna come on your own.
This type of shit is gonna get it shut down, bro. This is the boring rap. This shit is so clean, bro. I really wanted this from my G80. This shit is probably 7K, 8K plus for a roll though. It looks so good though, bro. Especially with the red interior. I feel like it'll look really good on my car. This is insane, bro. We out here Saturday today. Gonna check out exotics on Broadway, man. See what that's all about. I heard it gets crazy over here. Peep that Bugatti just chilling right there. I ain't gonna lie, man. This weekend has been super fun, but I haven't really seen that many hypercars or supercars. So we're hoping to see a lot of crazy shit today. Let's check it out. Crazy Viper.
That's 10 out of 10.
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
I'm not that big of a fan of Vipers.
Viper? Both.
I like.
Black ball wrap.
Oh my god. Goddamn, boy. कोई 10 भी दो साढ़े की चीज़ है.
Obscure metal genres. So our car is an interesting blend of classic Italian beauty from the 60s and kind of a West Coast metal scene. We're on the way. Hey Sharon. Yeah, it's an exciting road up ahead. We hope to be back next year with a driving car and spit some flame and rev it up. There's a lot of goals, a lot of benchmarks. What is success look like for you in 5 years? Success for us, after the 20 years spent in the industry designing some of the best cars for some of the best companies, success for us would be to be recognized alongside the established brands.
God damn, bro, look at that exhaust.
Idea of just visceral driving and car as a weapon and car as a machine, it's becoming too much of a social media bling factor, and I don't really like that so much. But What I would love to see is a return to a more analog, more brutal, more visceral driving, and less reliance on technology, less press this button to go fast, and more learn how to drive and then show us how it's done.
Cars out there.
We got the
we'll
boys
see
GT back.
Other stuff coming up soon, as we heard. We'll be back with you again. The restaurants down Broadway are open, so go ahead and grab it. Whoever brings me Mike's Pizza wins.
Bro, this car is beautiful. Look at these accents. Orange accents everywhere. That's beautiful, bro. Wow. Not bad, bro. Nice little British Racing green. The love spec right here.
We love it. We appreciate the time, man.
Yeah, thank you.
All right. Thanks again, guys. Thank you very much. We're going to get back to it. Let know the
Crazy.
on, and a couple quick.
We saw this car the other day at In-N-Out. Crazy. Insane, bro. Right next to a Senna. Man. This car is absolutely insane, dog. Go ahead, brother. Monterey Car weekend is a wrap. That was so fun, man. I had a great time shooting content for y'all, kicking it with the homies, seeing some insane builds, seeing some supercars, some hypercars, all of that, bro. Hope y'all enjoyed the content, man. Make sure you drop a like, comment, and make sure you subscribe to see more crazy content on the way. Because if this weekend did anything, it inspired me to go crazy on my build, to get my bread up and continue making dope content for y'all, man. So until next time,